ago, won it.
Yeah.
Last year finished second. Won it with this 2 years ago. Last year finished second. Todd Quad. This is the truck he actually drives to work. So if you're out on the road tomorrow morning and you see this, you go, hey, I remember that guy. He's a champion burnout driver. I tell you what, you guys are awesome. Todd's not in the competition this year. Oh, he is with a different car? Okay. Well, he is in the competition. We just wanted to show you first-time amateurs how burnout's supposed to be done. That's how burnout's supposed to be done.
Oh, that's